Hello there, welcome to Kentucky Fried Chicken in South Central Los Angeles, California. My name is Howard Paul Shore, and with me I have Maura. Maura, what am I going to have for dinner tonight?
You're having a 3 legs original. You're having a small popcorn, individual popcorn chicken. You're having a mashed potato and a coleslaw. And your dessert, you will have apple pie. And your drinks.
Pretty good food, huh? I haven't been to Kentucky Fried Chicken in a while, but I tell you, I used to grow up with Kentucky Fried Chicken because back home in Toronto, Canada, we love Kentucky Fried Chicken. And by the way, I have a song for you.
Okay. Let's hear it.
Okay. Colonel Sanders, boys and girls, make it thin, you're looking good.